영국 AFC 리치먼드의 새 구단주 리베카 웰턴.
Biggie boy.
Good one. Right, love. Listen, I've got training in a minute, so whatever it is you need to get off your impressive chest.
Let me have it.
Of course. You're fired.
그녀는 본래 감독을 갑자기 해고시키게 되는데요.
Fired? What the fuck for?
해고 사유는 바로
Your casual misogyny, for one. I know, it's a big word. Ask one of your daughters what it means. Or maybe it's because you insist on wearing those tiny shorts that force me to see one of your testicles. And there's the other one. Still, if I'm being completely honest, George, you're fired because I'm the owner now and I don't like you.
So what to do as far as new managers go? Shall I prepare a list of candidates?
No? That won't be necessary.
얼마 후 그녀는 무슨 생각인지 축구 관련 경험이 전혀 없는 테드 레소를 감독으로 기용하게 됩니다.
AFC Richmond announced the hiring of their new manager, one Theodore Ted Lasso. Of course, recently it was Coach Lasso leading the Division II Wichita State Shockers to their first ever national title in American football. For a lot of us, that's not how Ted Lasso found his way into our hearts. This team in a way that you really have to see to understand, and then even when you see it, I don't necessarily know that understanding is what we're doing. Right on, Ted. Do your thing, man, and good luck with the most beautiful game. Do us proud.
곧이어 AFC 리치먼드 구단에 도착한 테드와 코치 비어드.
Yep. Who are you? Well, I'm Ted Lasso. This is Coach Beard here.
Oh, God, you're the new manager.
Yes, sir.
Whew.
Oh, yeah.
Still, we've got to get off the grass.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Do we apologize? Sorry about that, Grass. Sorry, Grass. Hey, what's your name, by the way?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, no one ever asked my name.
I mean, whenever you're ready.
Oh, it's Nathan.
Nathan! Oh, I love
Introduce
that.
you. Big boss. Here we go.
드디어 테드는 구단주 리베카를 만나게 되죠.
Hey, how y'all doing? I'm Ted Lasso, your new coach. You must be Miss Welch.
It is so good to finally meet you both face to face. Higgins, this is Higgins, our current Director of Communications. So, this hall represents the club's long, albeit modest, history. And this is a wall of our previous owners.
And now look at this fella up here. Champagne and everything. He looks like a good time.
That's my ex-husband.
Well, good times aren't always a good time, I've found.
사실 그녀는 여자 문제로 속썩이던 정 구단주 남편과 결국 쪽내고 AFC 리치먼드의 새 구단주가 된 것이었죠.
So, we'll need you to speak to the press.
Oh, yeah. No, after a couple nights good sleep, I'll be happy to do
그리고 사전에 이야기도 없이 기자회견장으로 떠밀려 들어가게 된 테드.
Oh. Did not expect fizzy water there, sorry.
Let's go, chill. I tell you.
No, I have never coached the sport that you folks call football. At any level.
Jesus.
Look at this twat! Fucking yank.
Trent Crimm, The Independent. You're an American who's never set foot in England, whose athletic success has only come at the amateur level, and has now been charged with the leadership of a Premier League football club despite clearly possessing very little knowledge of the game. Is this a fucking joke?
Thank you, Trent!
Do you even name any footballers?
Well, yeah, you got
How many games in the Premiership season?
Not off the top of my head, no.
In the league last year.
I actually don't know the answer to that. I'm sorry.
What's a goalie?
The fellow with the big Mickey Mouse hands in the by the net.
결국 축구에 대한 기초 상식조차 없는 테드는 기자들은 물론 팬들에게까지 완전히 웃음거리가 되게 됩니다.
Fucking hell!
Coach Lasso!
I gave him 3 weeks.
Ted, don't you think about them for another second. You have a job to do, and proving them wrong just been added to the list.
구단주 리베카는 테드를 격려하며 아주 친절한 것처럼 보였지만
Oh, he's an absolute wanker.
Pardon?
I hope he fails miserably.
사실 그녀의 속셈은 남편이 아끼던 이 구단을 완전히 바닥으로 추락시키는 것이었죠.
I want to torture Rupert over and over.
일단 경기장으로 나가 분위기 파악부터 하기로 한 테드.
Oh, there's a man.
Barry and fuckface Joseph! Eyes on the man you're marking!
Who is that?
Roy Kent, team captain, classic old school box-to-box midfielder. Definitely lost a step.
You know, he's a legend.
That is a darn fine sports mix, young fella. Coach, you try this? You continue to impress, Nathan.
You remember my name.
I do love a locker room.
이곳에 새로 부임한 테드는 나름 기대감에 부푼 상태였는데요. 하지만 선수들은 전혀 그렇지 않은 듯 보였죠.
Last time I saw eyes that cold, they were going head to head with Roy Scheider. Howdy, fellas. My name's Ted Lasso. This here's Coach Beard. I know we don't officially start quite yet, but, we just wanted to pop in, say howdy. Anywho, thank you for your time. Roy.
Yeah.
Boys really respond to you. Mm-hmm.
Never thought it would end being coached by Ronald fucking McDonald.
You gonna let him call you that?
I don't think he's referring to me.
He thinks he's mad now. Wait till we win him over.
뭐 그러던지 말던지 나름대로 라커룸의 분위기를 바꾸며 새로운 시작을 준비하는 테드.
Hey, and thanks again for the lift.
That's all right. Right. So get that in there.
My apologies, Ted. We should have ordered you a car.
Oh, no, that's okay. Night, y'all.
한편 사람 좋아 보이는 테드에게 벌써부터 죄책감이 느껴지는 하긴스.
Seems like such a nice man. I'm not sure I can do this.
Hey, look, this car's got an invisible steering wheel. It's my man Nate here running the horn.
You're a godsend, Ted Lasso.
Takes one to know one.
다음 날
Knock-a-doodle-doo.
테드가 제일 먼저 시작한 일은
I brought you a little something.
Oh.
Yeah, cookies.
Oh, Ted, I don't really.
Oh, come on, I'll take a looky there.
리베카에게 쿠키를 주는 일이었는데요.
Fuck me.
I'm glad you like them. You know what? I'll start bringing these to you every morning. Called Biscuits with the Boss.
That really isn't necessary.
You know, we can't really be, good partners unless we get to know each other, right?
Ted.
We're going to start simple. Real easy one. We're going to do...
하지만 심하게 하이텐션인 그가 상당히 부담스러운 리베카.
Coach Lasso. Stop. Ted, I'm sorry. Biscuits with the Boss is not something that I have time for this morning.
I hear you, boss. Loud and clear.
There we go.
High five, Tree. Woo! All right, gentlemen, let's go ahead and do a little 7-on-7. We're going to call this drill The Exorcist.
All right, let's go.
이 팀의 에이스인 제이미. 바로 골을 넣지만
So we'll get some flowers, because this spot here is where Sam died.
성격은 아주 개쓰레기인 듯 보이는데요.
Oi, walk away, you little prick.
All right, Grandad, keep your wig on.
Hey, Sam, come here a sec.
샘을 불러 한마디 하는 테드.
You know what the happiest animal on earth is? It's a goldfish. It's got a 10-second memory. Be a goldfish, Sam. Hey, Nate.
Oh, me?
Yeah, until we get another Nate here, I just need you to assume you're my default Nate. Seems a little down in the dumps.
Yeah, he's been underachieving since he got here from Nigeria.
We're gonna have to do something to Nigeria him up, man.
사실 테드는 기술적인 면을 가르치는 것보다 일단 팀원들과의 유대감을 갖는 것이 더 중요하다고 생각하고 있었죠.
Higgins. Everywhere he's been, his players seem to love him. It's one thing that's just mucked this up. Find out where Lasso got those biscuits.
All right, fellas. Excuse me.
Listen up!
하지만 아직까지 테드는 투명인간 취급받는 상태.
We would like to start fiddling with the way we do things here in the locker room. It's that sometimes it's easier to speak our minds anonymously.
일단 테드는 의견함을 만들어 라커룸에 배치하기로 합니다.
So, if anything's got y'all hot and bothered, just go ahead and drop us a note.
하지만 축구와는 전혀 상관없는 짓만 하는 그가 못마땅하기만 한 주장 로이 켄트.
Wait, we're middle of the table. We've lost 3 or 4, and you want to know if the snacks in the locker room are tasty enough?
Are they?
Jesus Christ.
그날 저녁
Let's see what we got here. Wanker. Piss off, wanker. I hope you choke on a Big Mac.
테드의 예상대로 상자 안에는 그를 까대는 내용으로 가득했었죠.
What's a wanker? I'm a visual learner, so that's very helpful. Thank you.
Good thing these are anonymous.
No, Roy signed that one.
Roy.
Oh, here's a good one. Shower pressure is rubbish.
그중 제대로 된 건의는 샤워기를 고쳐달라는 의견뿐이었습니다.
Wrong again. Why is it so hard for you, Higgins? Get with the boss time.
다음 날 어김없이 리베카에게 입에서 살살 녹는 쿠키를 주는 테드.
Everybody in this building, part of the team, part of AFC Richmond. Team's got a bond. All right. I mean, heck, Higgins and I are having lunch today.
하지만 하긴스는 벌써 테드에게 넘어간 듯 보였죠.
Yes.
He's intolerable.
Hey, Sam, you gotta pop upstairs real quick. Higgins wants to talk to you.
테드는 이제 샘의 생일 선물을 위해
Hey, guys, listen up. Okay, Sam's birthday's on Saturday, so Nate's gonna be coming around with yet another impressive box. Look at this. Wow, it's got a face.
팀들로부터 돈을 걷게 되는데요.
Thanks, guy.
평소에 샘을 계속 왕따시키던 제이미.
Put the money in his mouth.
Yummy for you.
이번에도 찐따 같은 짓을 하게 되죠.
Spearmint. Make the money smell nice.
Thank you, Jamie. That's incredibly thoughtful.
Hey, Jamie, real quick. I just want to have a chat. Did you put gum in the box there?
Oh, yeah.
Why'd you go? You know, Nate's just trying to help us out here. He's part of the team, right?
Yeah, right, Coach. Yeah. Yeah, and I see this team like a band. I'll be better. Promise.
Glad to hear it.
결국 테드는 리베카를 찾아가게 됩니다.
This is a care package for my little boy. Maybe something in here can help cheer you up. Yeah? Got a small battalion of army men.
Will that be all, Ted?
No. Actually, you know, the whole reason I'm here is because I'm having a little trouble figuring out Jamie Tartt's operating instructions, and
I was just going to say you should go and talk to Keely. I mean, you two have an obvious rapport. If anyone knows Jamie, it's her.
See, that's why you're the boss, right? Okay, this right here is going to be your first line of defense. We'll aim them right at the door there for you. All right, thanks, boss. I appreciate you.
Sexy, yeah.
리베카의 조언대로 제이미의 여자친구인 킬리를 찾아간 테드.
Gotta be pretty fun for you, yeah?
Yeah, I'm getting paid a shit ton to get dressed up like an animal and sell caffeinated vodka. Can I have a bite?
Yeah, there you go. Hey, careful. You're welcome. All right, I wanted to ask you about Jamie. Yeah. What would you say motivates him?
He responds well to positive reinforcement.
That's my wheelhouse.
There you go then.
Okay. He devoured an antelope.
Office.
그런데 파파라치에 의해 누가 봐도 오해 살 만한 사진들이 찍히게 되죠.
We are moments away from Crystal Palace facing AFC Richmond and their new manager Ted Lasso.
드디어 테드가 팀을 맡은 이후 열리는 첫 번째 경기.
That's all we got for you, except for one thing. And that's happy birthday, Sam!
테드는 경기 전 미리 준비해둔 대로 샘의 생일부터 챙겨주게 됩니다.
Hey, man, you guys got me chin chin.
샘에게 활력을 불어넣어줄 고향 과자까지 준비한 테드.
Let's get out there and show Crystal Palace whose house this is, right?
드디어 부푼 마음을 가지고 경기장으로 들어서게 되는데요.
Will it be a new dawn for the perennial underdog AFC Richmond?
하지만 경기장에는 왕재수라는 소리가 대대적으로 울려 퍼지고 있었죠.
To the fans at home, we do apologise for the fruity language.
It was a risky hire by new owner Rebecca Welton. Does she know something we don't?
모두의 상대로 팀은 4대1로 패배하게 됩니다.
Richmond looked disjointed, uninspired, and you have to say, joyless. And a meaningless consolation goal for Jamie Tartt in injury time.
이번에도 팀워크는 무시한 채 혼자 한 골 넣고 혼자 신나하던 제이미.
Without me, it would have been 4-0, you miserable old pricks.
Jamie.
그를 부른 테드는
I can honestly say you are the best athlete I have ever coached.
혼내키기는 고사하고 칭찬 세례를 퍼붓는데요.
You are truly great at everything you do out there, except for one thing.
그리고 혼자 다 해먹으려는 제이미에게 뼈 때리는 한마디를 하게 되죠.
I think that you might be so sure that you're one in a million that sometimes you forget that out there you're just one of 11. You just figure out some way to turn that me into us. Sky's the limit for you. There's a heck of a goal out there, by the way.
Thanks.
계속되는 패배로 팀의 사기는 완전히 바닥으로 떨어져 있는 상태였지만
That was fucking embarrassing!
Oh, I am equally livid. Oh my God.
샤워 하나는 기분 좋게 할 수 있었죠.
Careful, son. The gaffer's fixed the water pressure.
언론에는 테드를 비방하는 기사들로 도배되었고 리베카의 계획은 아주 순조롭게 진행되고 있었습니다.
I know it would mean a lot to the guys if y'all just came down, joined in.
Ted, You know what might convince me? If you told me we got these delicious biscuits.
Well, if I did that, I wouldn't be able to bring you more on Monday now, would I? All right, hope to see y'all downstairs. Hey, come on now. Hey, let's shake this one off, all right? Uh-oh, little Five Dog and Q-Tip coming at you. Come on now, everybody get some cake.
하지만 울상이 돼도 모자랄 판에 그러던지 말던지 신나게 춤추며 파티를 벌이고 있는 테드.
That's exactly what I wanted. The star player's girlfriend and the new manager.
분명 팀은 패배하였고 모두의 웃음거리가 되었는데 왜 왠지 모를 따뜻함이 느껴지는 걸까요? 테드와 킬리의 스캔들 기사를 볼 생각에 부푼 마음으로 출근한 리베카. 하지만 무슨 이유인지 아직까지 기사가 나지 않은 상황.
Good morning.
There is nothing in the Sun about Ted and Keely. Nothing. Are you in your office?
Of course I am.
Then get up here now.
Ted, hey, have you got a minute?
그때 어디선가 스캔들 정보를 입수해온 킬리.
This was going to be the front page of the Sun today. Manager shags star player's girlfriend. I look insanely fit in this picture.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful light.
My friend who works at the paper said he can hold this story for one day as a favor.
Hey, boss.
킬리와 테드는 사진을 들고 바로 리베카를 찾아가게 되죠.
Honestly, these people, they just have no regard for people's privacy and dignity.
Yeah, I'm going to find the piece of shit that took this and who hired them.
No, not necessary. I know the owner of the paper. I can get this stopped with a phone call.
See what I tell you, huh? This woman right here is strong, confident, and powerful. All right.
Thank you.
이렇게 리베카의 이번 작전은 실패로 돌아가게 됩니다.
There's no way she can trace that photo back to me, can she?
I'm not a spy, Rebecca. I'm just the director of football operations.
한편 AFC 리치먼드의 가장 큰 문제는 팀들이 에이스인 제이미에게만 패스를 하고 아무것도 안 한다는 것이었는데요.
Give the ball to Jamie and everyone else can go to hell.
아무래도 새로운 전술이 시급한 상황이었죠. 그런데
You got something, Nate?
No. So, no. God, no. Never mind. I'm sorry.
Come on now. You're one of us. Let's go. Fire away. What do you got?
쓰레기를 치우던 네이튼이 아이디어 하나를 내게 됩니다.
You know what? It's not even very good. It's probably really bad. You know what? It's embarrassing even.
Again, do you think this idea will work?
Yeah, I do.
Whoa! Why are you screaming at us, Nate? We're right here.
So I thought if we started the attack on the wing, Jamie could run through near side. Then when the defence follows, Sam could fill his spot.
So use Jamie as a decoy?
바로 제이미를 유인책으로 쓰자는 기발한 생각이었죠.
Let's give it a shot.
What, you're going to use my play?
Yeah, I mean, we're going to try it on. It might be a very flattering silhouette. It makes me feel good. I start to strut. I'm like, ooh, I like this. I like the way this makes me feel. Yep, that's how I strut. Let's strut, Nate. Come on. There you go, Nate. Yeah, that's one way to do it.
Sam lays it for Dixon.
Dang, that's touch.
Jamie decoys through. Sam wide open.
There it is. Nice play, Nate. How you feel?
I don't know. There's so many new feelings. Yeah.
이 작전은 제법 먹혀 들어갈 듯 보였지만 팀 전체가 웃음거리가 될 수도 있는 작전이었습니다.
Colin, Isaac, please stop. Yeah, it really hurts now.
Be careful, Colin. That's our new coach.
Oh, right, boyo. Okay, way to run out there today, fellas. There's some gifts up in y'all's lockers. Your little cubbies up there, so hope you enjoy them.
연습이 끝난 후 팀원들에게 뜬금없이 책 한 권씩을 선물하는 테드. 로이는 테드의 생각이 무엇인지 도저히 알 수가 없었죠.
Hey.
Yeah, I just thought you should know that your boy Nathan's been harassed every single day by Jamie and his little...
Yep.
So you'll take care of it?
No. He's the one, Coach. We're gonna make an impact here. First domino needs to fall right inside that man's heart.
사실 테드는 팀의 주장인 로이가 리더로서 팀원들의 문제를 해결하기를 원했던 것이었습니다.
Jamie, can I ask you something? Do you even understand the influence you have on this team?
I'm the shit.
No, you're a bellend. So when they pick on Nate, you laugh. They think it's okay.
Nate's a weak baby and he can't do anything about it.
하지만 로이에게 계속 깝죽거리며 전혀 정신을 못 차린 제이미.
Yeah, all right.
Good.
Well then, Isaac, come here. You know how you two are always messing with Nate, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep it up. Makes me laugh.
한편
Who cares if we can't run that picture?
스캔들 작전을 실패한 후 리베카는 또 다른 작전을 구상하게 되는데요.
There you go.
Thank you. So, I spoke to the owner of Vista, and he has agreed to not run the photo of you and Keeley. In exchange, I've agreed for his more reputable newspaper, The Independent, to do a profile on you, one-on-one with Coach Lasso.
Yeah, okay.
The writer will be Trent Crimm.
매번 테드에게 독서를 내뱉던 기자 트렌트를 이용하기로 한 것이었죠.
Oh, no, I know Trent. Yeah, he's a tough cookie.
Really?
You know what you do with tough cookies, don't you?
No.
Dip them in milk. All right, let's run that new one.
테드의 소개 기사를 위해 이제 트렌트가 그를 하루 종일 따라다니며 밀착 조사를 하기 시작하는데요.
Bucky! Wide open. Oh, snuck it by him. That's good. Yeah. Hey, Jamie, you got to sell that run through hard, baby. Make the defense believe you. Watch like this. I would like the ball, please. You know, make it a performance. Yeah, they're getting it.
Interesting play, Ted. Did you come up with this?
Oh, no. This is all cooked up by our very own Nate the Great. Oh, yeah, there he is.
프로팀 공격 전술에 장비 담당의 아이디어를 쓰질 않나.
That young fella's forgot more about this sport than I'll ever know. Heck, might be a genius.
그냥 한눈에 딱 봐도 개판인 듯 보였죠.
After your resounding loss to Crystal Palace, one of your players said there was a party in the locker room.
Well, Trent, I've never really concerned myself too much with wins and losses.
거기다 감독인데 승패에 관해 걱정을 안 한다니. 뭐 이거는 대략 난감한 상황이었습니다.
Oi! Jamie not talk to you about leaving him alone?
Fuck's sake. You want to tag along? We're going to go speak to some school kids. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right. Hey, gang, how y'all doing?
뭐 이제 어른아이 할 것 없이 테드를 왕재수라고 놀려대는 판국이었죠.
I think it's really cool you do this.
What are you doing with my fucking niece, guys here? That idiot.
Heads. Lovely. Next. Go. Perfect. Next. Well done.
You hop in there. Show them how it's done. I'll do a couple. How you doing? Ready? Come on. Ooh, that's the spot. Come on. Might have ourselves a goal. Oh, boy. That was right in the button. Ah.
Good job, Phoebe.
아이들과 의미 있는 시간을 보낸 테드.
Roy, that was a blast.
I've had it with your mind games and your stupid gifts. I mean, what even is A Wrinkle in Time?
It's the story of a young girl's struggle with the burden of leadership. She journeys through space.
Yeah, that's it.
Right. None of this matters, and I'm counting down the days until you're gone.
하지만 아직까지도 그의 마음은 굳게 닫혀 있었습니다.
Are you hungry?
하루 일정을 끝낸 테드는 트렌트와 식사를 하러 가게 되는데요.
Yeah, well, you know, whatever the chef recommends.
That'd be my father-in-law. Are you okay with a little bit of spice?
Have him make it for us like we're a couple members of the family.
You're a brave man. Here you go, boys.
Oh, boy. I feel like I'm about to breathe fire.
I don't think I can do that.
No. Come on now. We got to put a decent dent in this, otherwise we're going to embarrass Ollie in front of his family. Well, hey, come on, just dump it on my...
Are you enjoying the food?
Tell your father-in-law it's perfect.
Dad, he says it's perfect.
그런데 보면 볼수록 배려심 넘치는 그의 인간성과 긍정적인 에너지에 점점 빠져드는 트렌트.
Now, I'm going to say this again, just so you didn't think it was a mistake the first time I said it. For me, success is not about the wins and losses. It's about helping these young fellas be the best versions of themselves on and off the field. Neither is growing up without someone believing in you.
테드는 그냥 감독이 아닌 진정한 리더이자 인생의 선배 같은 따뜻함이 느껴지는 사람이었죠. 얼음처럼 차가운 트렌트가 살살 녹을 수밖에 없는 그런 사람 말이죠.
Mrs. Witch's voice was grave. What do you understand?
주장 로이 역시 자기도 모르게 테드의 긍정적인 에너지에 흡수되어 가고 있었습니다.
Fuck! Yes.
트렌트의 기사 견본을 빠르게 입수한 히긴스.
Read it to me.
Wayward Ted. And yes, he's in over his head. He insisted twice that he didn't care if Richmond won or lost.
그런데
Please do me the favour of remembering that these aren't my words, it's Trent Crimm.
Keep going.
테드는 리베카의 작전에 그리 쉽게 무너질 설렁설렁한 상대가 아니었습니다.
Hello, Roy. I didn't know it was a retirement party.
Stop messing with Nate!
그는 바로 리더를 리더로서의 자질을 갖추게 해주고
Slowly growing until he can no longer ignore its presence. Or in a show of respect, eating food so spicy it's sure to wreak massive havoc on his intestinal system. And though I believe that Ted Lasso will fail here and Richmond will suffer the embarrassment of relegation, I won't gloat when it happens.
그들에게 최고의 인생의 자산을 만들도록 도와주는 바로 그런 사람이었기 때문이었죠.
You're hearing AFC Richmond being booed lustily by their...
얼마 후 열리게 된 리치먼드의 두 번째 경기.
Who knew we're better than that?
Hey, would it be too forward if I gave you some advice that might help improve your game?
하지만 이런 상황에서도 잘난 척하기 바쁜 제이미.
Right, that's it. Oi, I'm done with you being a prick to everyone.
Fuck it, let's go.
이런 개판 팀워크를 가지고는 사실 경기에 이기는 것이 더 이상할 정도였습니다.
Call me old. One more time.
Sorry. Grandad.
I fucking killed
얼마 후 매년 열리는 리치먼드 주최 자선 행사가 다가오게 됩니다.
Just put one foot in front of the other, yeah? And you put your hand on your hip and make like a claw shape. It's the most flat.
Come strut. Let the suit do the work.
아무래도 테드는 분열된 팀을 협력시키는 게 우선이라고 생각하게 되죠. 결국 제이미와 로이를 같은 테이블에 배치시키기로 한 테드.
I'm switching tables.
No. Hey, come on back here. This is my doing. I parent trapped y'all. Take a seat.
Queen to rook 4.
Ooh. Wait, are y'all playing a game without a board? Sorry to interrupt. My fault. Sorry. Carry on.
Knight to king 5.
Hey, there she is.
처음 구단주가 된 후 연설을 하려니 긴장되는 리베카.
Rupert was always very good at the public speaking part.
Good evening and welcome to the 10th annual benefit for underprivileged children. You can all bid on our very own Richmond players.
그런데 그곳에 나타난 전 남편 루퍼트.
Same rule as always, no hanky-panky unless the player signs a waiver.
여유 있는 위트로 순식간에 대중들을 휘어잡아 버리죠.
Well, I know I'm crashing your party, but I so badly want to help. My fingers and toes are crossed that you will have me.
Of course.
결국 전 남편 루퍼트에게 경매를 맡기게 됩니다.
Thanks. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh, that. Brand new suit. Rather than messing with me tonight, can you just get me 2 times tomorrow?
Roy said we're not allowed anymore.
You fucking headbutted me. I'm still dizzy half the time.
And our first victim is Jamie Tart.
Babe, you have to win me.
Gorgeous, charming, the bastard. So, we'll start with £5,000.
I want him, Rupert.
5,000 from Cheryl Barnaby.
6,000.
7,000.
7,000.
10,000.
Ooh, stunning.
£12,000.
14,000.
14,000.
16,000. 18. Yeah, 25,000.
25,000. Sold to Keely Jones.
Hey, there you are. Hey, you okay?
That man, you know, is
사실 아직까지도 리베카는 남편에 대한 집착과 자신이 못났다는 자격지심을 느끼고 있었죠.
so now I'm alone. I'm alone, Ted, just like he said I would be if I left. Has he started the auction?
Yeah.
Good, I'm glad he's done that. We'll get much more money. No matter what he does, I just love him.
Howdy, partner. So, you asked Rebecca what she thought about texting Robbie? If you change your mind, say the word and zhoop, sent. He'll be right over.
Something just occurred to me. If you could have texted Robbie Williams, ask him to come tonight. You could have probably just as easily asked him not to come.
그리고 초청 가수 역시 루퍼트가 오지 못하게 막았다는 느낌을 받은 테드.
Oh, hey, Ted. Do you think Rebecca knows what the real Adele looks like?
I need to go on a little adventure and I need a co-pilot.
And you want me?
Yeah, forget the rest. I need the best. Come on, follow me.
Thank you, by the way. Huh? The red carpet photos are already online, and I actually look all right for once.
Oh, glad to help.
Oh, Keely, I think you should know that the young woman that was bidding on Jamie was actually his other +1.
Cheeky little prick. Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Do you mind if I just have a minute on my own with this one?
Yeah, sure.
She your new girlfriend?
I've got 2 women bidding on me. Makes me look more valuable, do you know what I mean?
한편 킬리는 잘난 척에 하늘을 찌르는 제이미에게 보여주기 위해 주장 로이 경매에 나서게 되는데요.
Don't know, babe. Don't get jealous.
Well, can we have £100 for what's turning out to be a very boring date?
Right, £1,000.
Oh,
£2,000.
£3,000.
Babe, you're just embarrassing yourself.
£4,000.
£5,000.
£6,000.
Any advance on 6?
결국 로이는 할머니에게 팔리게 되지만 이 일로 킬리는 제이미와 끝내기로 맘먹게 되죠.
I am personally donating £1 million to the cause. Thank you very much. Thank you. And that, I believe, gets Rebecca over her goal of 800,000. Thank you.
그런데
This here is Cam Cole. He's an undiscovered mega talent.
길거리 거린 비슷한 가수를 데리고 온 테드.
Are you insane?
Hey, Rebecca, you do not want to judge this book by its cover right here, okay?
Robbie Williams is unable to be here tonight due to an emergency. All the way from outside, please welcome Cam something.
하지만 혼자 북치고 기타 치고 노래하는 엄청난 실력의 소유자였죠.
You stop being mad at me now.
Do you know what you're sorry for, Jamie?
Hey, do me a favour. Don't use me as a prop in your little fights. Made me feel like an idiot.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that.
What are you saying sorry to him for?
Being accountable matters, Jamie. We're done.
Whatever.
이렇게 너무나도 쿨하게 제이미와 끝나고
Do you want to go get like really drunk?
Yes, I do.
상처받은 여자들끼리 한 잔 걸치러 가게 됩니다.
Jamie?
다음 날 아무래도 마음이 편치 않은 킬리는 제이미의 집을 찾아가게 되는데요. 하지만
Hello? Is Jamie here?
헤어진 지 하루도 채 되지 않아 다른 여자를 집에 끌어들인 개망나니 제이미.
Whenever I break up with someone, I spend months questioning it, wondering if I made a huge fucking mistake. But you have really helped me to feel good about this decision. Just
You're welcome.
what?
You said I made you feel good about your decision.
뭐 이해 능력까지 떨어지는 그와 깔끔하게 끝내게 됩니다. 경기장에서 역시 팀원들을 무시하고 혼자 돋보이고 싶어하는 제이미.
I mean, come on, Sam was more open than the jar of peanut butter on my kitchen counter. Now look, when Sam's open, you gotta pass to him, okay?
But why? Even when Sam's open, Sam is still shit.
다음 경기가 내일인데 제이미는 테드의 말은 귓등으로도 듣지 않았죠. 그때 테드를 보기 위해 미국에서 날아온 그의 부인과 아들.
Oh, you got it. Ooh. I missed you so much.
Welton, sorry to report, but this weekend's match will not be completely sold out.
계속되는 리치먼드의 패배로 표조차 제대로 팔리고 있지 않았지만
But why be sorry? think it's all going rather smashingly.
이로 인해 리베카는 마냥 신이 나 있었습니다.
Keely.
그리고 어제 여자로서 마음이 잘 통하는 친구 하나를 찾은 듯한 리베카.
I meant employment, like jobs.
그녀는 킬리에게 같이 일할 것을 제안하게 되죠. 한편 오랜만에 가족들과 함께 행복한 시간을 보내고 있는 테드. 하지만 테드와 아내 미셸 사이에는 오래된 문제가 하나 있었습니다.
I'm fine, Ted.
No, Michelle, you gotta talk to me. Okay?
But maybe that's just what marriage is, right? I'll keep trying. You know I will.
미셸은 극심한 권태기로 새로운 시작을 원하는 듯 보였죠.
Marriage, just so complicated, so many different challenges. If you're so worried about your relationship, then why did you fly 4,438 miles away?
오랜 기간 심리 상담을 하며 아내에게 공간을 내어주기 위해 임원 타국에까지 와 있었던 테드.
Arlo White here with Chris Powell live from Nelson Road Stadium, the home of AFC Richmond.
Right, everyone get a fucking circle. Let's go.
곧이어 경기 준비를 하는 선수들. 하지만 제자리에서 사진이나 찍고 앉아있는 제이미.
Jamie, you a germaphobe?
Didn't want to. I scored all the goals and I'm the only one they come to see.
꼴값의 극치를 달리고 있었습니다.
Jamie Tat, Jamie Tat,
드디어 경기가 시작되고 사태는 생각보다 훨씬 더 심각했죠.
Well, after only 6 minutes, Richmond are 2-0 down.
6분 만에 2대 0으로 뒤지고 있는 리치먼드.
Tart receives the ball. Clever there.
그때
Right. No, he's doing it himself. Oh, what a finish.
제이미가 단독 슛을 터뜨리게 되는데요.
Richmond are right back in it at 2-1 in the 29th minute.
Obisanya joins the attack. Oh, the Nigerian is taken out.
It'll be a yellow card here for Benson, and you have to say he got off easy.
Excuse me, mate.
Oi! Check on your fucking teammate.
하지만 샘이 부상당했음에도 신경도 안 쓰는 제이미.
Sam,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to move you there. There you go.
결국 같은 팀끼리 싸우다 옐로우 딱지까지 받는 사상 초유의 사태까지 벌어지게 됩니다.
You alright, Sam? Honestly, it doesn't even hurt anymore. I'm gonna pull you up. I'm gonna pretend to limp very badly. And you're gonna gesture like you think you can bravely go on.
Is he okay?
Looks like he'll play through the pain. Such determination. Tart steps up to take the free kick.
With an opportunity to tie the game.
얼마 후 제이미의 또 다른 슛이 터지게 되지만
He's a special player on it.
And you have to wonder, where would Richmond be without?
팀원들의 사기는 오히려 바닥으로 떨어지게 되죠. 그런데 갑자기 관중석으로 뛰어올라가는 테드.
Well, where the hell's he off to?
I want to bench Jamie.
제이미를 빼겠다는 폭탄 선언을 하게 됩니다.
Ted, you're the manager, so whatever you decide, you have my full support.
Roberts, warm up. You going in? Hey, highlighter. We got ourselves a sub. 16's going in from 9. Okay.
두 골이나 연이어 넣은 최고의 선수를 빼버리고
Me? What on earth? He's taking off his best player.
관중들에게 무지막지한 야유를 받는 테드.
Hey, way to play out there. Way to get us back in.
Shut up. Fucking stupid swat.
The referee looks at his watch, and that's half-time.
I know change can be scary. Most of the time, change is a good thing. I think that's what it's all about. Being brave. Move forward there.
그런데
2 minutes of added time remaining. Still level at 2 goals apiece.
제이미가 없자 팀원들의 협동은 빛을 발하게 됩니다.
A through ball from Coburn, and Kent is off to the races.
But he makes the extra pass. Oh, and he buries it.
관중들이 테드를 부른 말은 똑같았지만 이제는 뭔가 톤이 다른 왕재수였죠. 변화를 두려워하지 않고 새로운 시도를 한 팀은 승리하게 된 것이었고 테드 역시 두려워하지 않고 변화를 받아들이기로 합니다.
You don't have to keep trying anymore. It's okay. I'm gonna be okay. Yeah?